In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Meta on Monday.com. We'll be walking through the basic connection process inside Monday.com so you can link Meta using one of the built-in integration templates. This is a quick setup, but it helps to know what each screen is doing so you can move through it with confidence. To get started, open the board in Monday.com where you want this integration to live. Once you're on the board, look toward the top area and click on Integrate. This is the section where Monday.com stores its available app connections and automation-style recipes. If you've never used integrations before, this is essentially the control center for connecting your board with outside platforms like Meta. After the integrations window opens, find and click on the Meta logo. This will take you into the Meta integration options specifically, rather than showing all available apps. Depending on your workspace, you may see several app tiles or a search area, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct Meta option. Choosing the right app here matters because it determines which connection templates and actions become available on your board. Once you're inside the Meta integration page, click on Use Template. Monday.com often provides templates to speed up the setup process, which is helpful because it removes a lot of the manual configuration. A template gives you a pre-built starting point, so instead of building the integration from scratch, you're simply following a guided setup. This is especially useful if you want a faster and cleaner setup experience. After that, click on Connect. This is the step that begins linking Monday.com with your Meta account. You may be prompted to sign in, review permissions, or approve access depending on whether this is your first time connecting the two platforms. Just carefully follow the on-screen prompts and make sure you authorize the connection for the correct account or business profile. And that's it. Once the connection is approved, your Meta integration will be ready to continue with the selected template inside Monday.com. If something doesn't connect right away, a good tip is to double check that you're logged into the right Meta account and that your browser isn't blocking any pop-ups during the authorization process. That's the full setup for integrating Meta on Monday.com. If you're following along, take it one click at a time, and you should have everything connected in just a few moments.